expected. The noise was coming from the car chassis. This customer had been troubled for a long time. Lower arm change, absorber change, steering rack change too. All the part already changed, but the noise was still there. He came to MD Auto and said, if this time still cannot solve, he will sell the car. After our inspection, the problem was not the spare part. The real cause was the car. Chassis structure, a cracked section had shifted and made noise while driving. We carried out proper welding repair, and the noise was gone. Then we did release bush adjustment. More comfort, quieter drive, better stability. If your car has noise, don't simply change parts. Find the real cause first. MD Auto Toyota Lexus Specialist can solve your problem.